Hello dear students, welcome back to Study with Vaishnavi Jha. So, in today's class, we will discuss magnetic effects of electric current, some topics of it. And the first introductory topic of it is magnetic field and magnetic field lines. Okay, so let's start. Okay, what is a magnetic field? Basically, magnetic field होता क्या है? Now see, इट इज अ बार मैग्नेट. वी नो द बार मैग्नेट, आपने इसके बारे में पहले भी पढ़ा होगा जूनियर क्लासेस में. मैग्नेट है, मैग्नेट का एक नॉर्थ पोल होता है, एक साउथ पोल होता है, एंड इट इज अ स्ट्रेट मैग्नेट और हैविंग टू पोल्स, सिंपली बार मैग्नेट, एक बार की तरह है इसीलिए बार मैग्नेट. अब मैग्नेटिक फील्ड क्या होता है, उसके लिए हम क्या कर सकते हैं, इसके आसपास इफ वी स्प्रिंकल सम आयरन फिलिंग्स, if we sprinkle some iron fillings around this bar magnet, then what will happen to the iron? They will arrange themselves in some pattern. See, एक पॉइंट होगा जहां तक कि ये आयरन एक्सपीरियंस करेगा फोर्स. इस पॉइंट के बाद यहां पे अगर कोई आयरन फीलिंग है, दे विल नॉट एक्सपीरियंस एनी फोर्स. इनके ऊपर कोई फोर्स नहीं लग रही है. लेकिन यहां तक में जो भी आया है आपका आयरन पार्टिकल या आयरन फीलिंग्स, उसने अपने आप को ये फोर्स उसने एक्सपीरियंस किया है. द आयरन फीलिंग विच इज प्रेजेंट अंडर दिस एरिया हैज एक्सपीरियंस्ड द फोर्स ऑफ दिस बार मैग्नेट. ओके, बेसिकली इस बार मैग्नेट का क्या है, एक इलाका है अपना. ओके, इफ यू गो टू सम प्लेस, सपोज फॉर एग्जांपल इन अ जंगल, ओके, द लायन जो भी आपका जंगल का राजा है, तो वो जंगल के राजा जो है, तो उसके उसके एरिया में घुसते ही जो है उसका टेरर फील होने लगता है. तो ये जो टेरर फील हो रहा है, दैट टेरर इज अप टू सम एरिया, इट इज लिमिटेड अप टू सम एरिया. तो वो जो लिमिटेशन है, राइट, जो वो लिमिटेशन है कि कितने एरिया तक उसका टेरर फील हो सकता है, दैट लिमिटेशन इज द फील्ड ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर किंग. इसी तरीके से यहाँ पे क्या है, मैग्नेट है, और इस मैग्नेट का एक एरिया है जहां तक के उसका फोर्स एक्सपीरियंस किया जा सकता है. एंड दैट पॉइंट टिल विच इट फोर्स कैन बी एक्सपीरियंस्ड, दैट पॉइंट इज कॉल्ड एज, मतलब दैट एरिया इज कॉल्ड एज मैग्नेटिक field. Okay, so we can say that the area that comes under the influence of the magnet is called magnetic field. ठीक है, और यू कैन राइट, और आप ये भी लिख सकते हैं, द एरिया टिल विच द फोर्स force exerted by this magnet can be experienced is known as magnetic field. ये भी आप लिख सकते हैं, the area up to which the force experienced by the force experienced the area up to which the force exerted by force exerted by the bar magnet is influenced, is experienced, is called magnetic field. जहां तक उसका एरिया एक्सपीरियंस हो सकता है, दैट इज मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. आई होप आप लोग को क्लियर हो गया होगा. the area up to which the force exerted by the bar magnet can be experienced, it is called magnetic field. जहां तक इस मैग्नेट का एरिया है, यानी कि जितनी दूर में आयरन पार्टिकल आए तो वो अट्रैक्ट हो जाए, दैट पर्टिकुलर एरिया इज नोन एज मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. ओके, नेक्स्ट कम्स मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस. ओके, मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस. सी मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस क्या होता है? ओके, सो these iron fillings, when they are sprinkled around the bar magnet, they take a shape of a pattern. Okay, जब भी इन iron fillings को हम एक suppose if this is a bar magnet, if we sprinkle some iron fillings, they will arrange themselves around this bar magnet in a certain pattern. Okay, and that pattern we have to know. हमें वो पैटर्न जो है वो देखना है क्या होता है. So when the same activity was done, the iron fillings arranged themselves in a pattern. And what was that pattern? See, the iron fillings arranged themselves in this pattern. If I draw it in the form of iron fillings, it is like this. And when I remove the iron fillings and I draw the line, complete line, then it is like this. ऐसे करके इस तरीके से आपकी मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस जो हैं वो बनती हैं. राइट, दिस इज द वे द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस आर सीन. सो बेसिकली ये जो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस है, इन्हें देख के क्या समझ में आ रहा है? इन्हें देख के कुछ ऐसा समझ में आ रहा है दैट ये जो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइन है ये एक पोल से निकल रही है एंड इट इज एंटरिंग इनटू द अदर पोल. एक पोल से बाहर आ रही है और दूसरे पोल के अंदर जा रही है. So we can say that the magnetic field lines, they are emerging from a pole and entering into the another pole, right? But कौन से पोल से emerge हो रही है और कौन से पोल में वो merge हो रही है, that we will see in the next activity where we will see direction of magnetic field lines. Okay? But फिलहाल के लिए आप इतना समझ सकते हैं कि magnetic field lines जो है वो कैसी है? They are like closed loop, closed and continuous loop. मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस जो है क्लोज एंड कंटिन्यूअस लूप के फॉर्म में होती है. ओके, किस पोल से निकल रही है, किस पोल में मर्ज हो रही है, दैट वी विल सी लेटर ऑन. बट फर्स्ट थिंग दैट वी केम अक्रॉस with the help of this diagram is that the magnetic field lines are closed and continuous loops. Closed or continuous loops होते हैं, like there is no end. It is forming a complete circle if you see. ये अगर अंदर में इसको extend करेंगे, so it is forming like a complete circle and it is never ending. So this is a closed and continuous loop. There is no breakage anywhere. कहीं पे break नहीं है. And what are magnetic field lines if we have to define it? So we can define it in the form that these are imaginary lines. These are what? These are imaginary lines. Okay? That are drawn around the bar magnet. You don't write bar magnet, you can also write magnet, because now we are going to see different kinds of magnet. A straight conductor, we will see a circular loop, so just write magnet. Drawn around the magnet. These are imaginary lines that are drawn around the magnet to show the magnetism of the magnet. Okay, so ये है magnetic field lines. These are completely imaginary lines. Obviously रियल में ऐसी कोई लाइन नहीं दिखती. when you are having the bar magnet, you cannot see these lines. So these are imaginary lines. We draw these lines to see up to which extent the iron fillings can be attracted, up to which extent the force exerted by this bar magnet can be experienced. तो वो देखने के लिए हम क्या करते हैं? We generally draw these lines. Okay, so we will get through these some properties of magnetic field lines, but before that we will do an activity. So you take a quick screenshot of it and then we will start the activity. Okay, so take a screenshot of it first. Okay, so now activity to show the direction of magnetic field lines. तो अभी तक हमने पढ़ा magnetic field क्या है, magnetic field lines क्या है. Now we have to see the direction of magnetic field lines. For that we have to draw a figure. Basically इस activity में क्या करना है हमको, that we have to take a bar magnet. Okay, I will read it out later, but first I'll explain. Okay, so I have to take a bar magnet, and what we have to do is to sprinkle the, do not sprinkle iron fillings, but do what? Take a compass, take a magnetic compass and place it at one end. You will get the direction north. आपको नॉर्थ डायरेक्शन मिल जाएगी, बिकॉज मैग्नेटिक कंपास का काम होता है नॉर्थ डायरेक्शन शो करना. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दिस मैग्नेट, this bar magnet will show the north direction. Mark that point and keep the compass at the next location in that direction. There you go. Next direction. Mark it, move ahead. Mark it, move ahead. Mark it like this. Mark it till you reach the other end of the magnet. So here you get, okay, so here you get the direction of magnetic field lines. How? Now remove the compass and join these dotted lines. So when you join these dotted lines, what will you get? You will get the magnetic field lines getting out from the north pole and they are entering into the south pole, isn't it? If you do the same thing in the downward direction, then also emerging from north pole and entering into the south pole, we can say that. So this is what is the direction of magnetic field line, that the magnetic field lines emerge from the north pole and they merge into the south pole like this. So we can say that first property that we came to know, that, or you can say observation, that magnetic field lines emerge from north pole and merge at south pole outside the magnet, outside the bar magnet. Correct? This is the observation. Now see the activity. Take a bar magnet, place it on a sheet. Okay, take a compass, place it near the north pole of the bar magnet. Compass लिया, bar magnet के north pole पे रख दिया. Mark the point and place the compass at the next location in that direction. So ये point हमने mark कर दिया और next direction पे हमने रख दिया compass. Then again we mark the point and we repeated this process till we reach the other end, to the south pole of the bar magnet. And then we removed the compass and we join the dotted lines. At this point in the procedure also, join the dotted lines. To get the direction of magnetic field. So you invert the direction of magnetic field. They emerge from North Pole and they merge at South Pole. Okay, you take a screenshot of it and then we will discuss few properties of magnetic field lines. Okay. Now let's see the properties of magnetic field lines that we have already studied. First is closed and continuous loop, as you can see. Second is outside the bar magnet. What is the direction? It is from north to south. North to south. And inside the bar magnet, if we see inside the bar magnet, what is the direction? See carefully. ये सर्कल नॉर्थ से शुरू हो रहा है एंड इट इज गोइंग टिल साउथ एंड इनसाइड द बार मैग्नेट इट विल कंप्लीट अ सर्कल व्हेन इट कम्स फ्रॉम साउथ टू नॉर्थ. तभी कंप्लीट होगा ये सर्कल. अगर ये यहाँ ऐसे जा रहा है नॉर्थ से साउथ, सो फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट इट विल कम लाइक दिस, साउथ टू नॉर्थ, देन ओनली द सर्कल विल बी कंप्लीट. So we can say that inside the bar magnet the direction is south to north. Very important point. Then okay, guess one thing. What at which point the magnetic field is strong, the strongest? So you can see that it at the poles there will be the merge or emergence of both the lines which are going downwards also and upwards also. So यहाँ पे सबसे ज़्यादा population होगा. So that is why ये जो poles का area होता है that is the mostly and densely populated, or you can say that it has the strongest magnetic field. So magnetic field strongest कहाँ होती है? Strongest होती है poles पे. And weakest कहाँ होती है? Weakest होती है center पे. And strength of bar magnet. Strength of bar magnet, अच्छा ये तो मैं आपको नोट्स में बता दूंगी बाद में. तो एक पॉइंट और इसमें आपको ऐड करना है. One question comes in your exam that why the two magnetic field lines they do not intersect each other. इस तरीके से intersect क्यों नहीं करती है? Because if they did so, then the compass would have shown the two directions at same point of time. But it is not possible. How can a single needle be locate 2 points at same time? Not possible. That is why this situation does not happen. That is why two magnetic field lines never intersect. So you will write two magnetic field lines never intersect. And what is the reason of never intersecting? That if they did, then compass needle would have pointed in two directions. Two directions at same time, which is not possible. And this is given in your NCERT also, which is not possible. So basically these are certain properties of magnetic field lines, and one thing that you have to note in a put it in a note, and that is that the strength of bar magnet, it can be seen by the closeness of magnetic field lines. If the magnetic field lines are close enough, they are very close to each other, then the bar magnet has a very strong magnetism. And if they are apart from each other, then the magnetic field produced by that bar magnet is weak. Okay, so these are the properties. So we are done with these two topics also. You take a screenshot of it. Okay, so this is it for today's class, and in the next class we will move to next topic in which we will see the relation of magnetic field and current. Okay, so till then take care and thank you for your patient hearing. Bye bye.